is up, everybody? My name is Dane Thompson and welcome back to another episode of BurnDown. So today is a very special day because we finally got the car at the track. We're gonna see if this turn will go or if it's just gonna be struggle street as usual. Granted, I don't even care at this point. I'm just happy to be here, have my car out, and get to at least make some passes, be them slow or struggle street or what have you. But I'm gonna unload, get to tech. I have some stuff to mess with, so I'm not gonna bore you too much with talking about things. I'll bring you back in between runs or whatever and kind of fill you in on what she's doing. But ultimately, I want to make as many hits as I can before the sun really kind of goes down and gets too cold, because the track kind of gets sketchy. So that's it. I'm gonna unload, we'll go through tech, and yeah, it's a big learning curve today. Typically, I'm a foot brake guy. It's the first time with the trans brake and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna hopefully let it eat, see what she does. I'm excited. We got to get through tech. Let's get over there. All right, we got our number. We're legit. Let's get back over to the pits and then play with all the stuff we need to mess with. So all right, so we made it through tech and everything while I'm away from some of the noise and the rowdy cars and things. Pretty much the plan today is to be able to get this thing out of the hole, get used to the trans brake and the whole procedure of starting with a trans brake versus off of a foot brake. With a foot brake, you just creep up to the line when the second bulb drops. You basically hold the brake real hard and you push the gas at the same time, just enough to where it doesn't push through the beam, and that's kind of it. Now I gotta do like the hokey pokey, so I'm not even gonna explain it because I don't even really kind of know. We're gonna figure it out as we go, but it should be exciting. We're just trying to get kind of 60 foot and some launches. We'll run it out the back. You know, if we get a good lick, we'll run one. We'll see what the car will actually do, but for the most part, it's just gonna be the learning curve of getting these little baby tires to stick out of the hole. So I gotta get back to the pits, set up my initial tune, and then we'll get up to the line when they let us run. We'll whack this thing and see what it does. The sun is going down, it is getting close. Got my gear on. We're gonna jump in line so I'm not terribly far back. We're gonna give it a whirl, and then I don't have anywhere to have the laptop, and I really don't want it flopping around because it's the only one I got. So we'll make a hit, pull data logs, come back, make changes if we need to, and we'll jump right back in line and we'll do it hopefully as many times as we can, unless it gets either really sketchy or it's too late. But let's have some fun. That was fun. I got scared, I freaking launched. Woo. God damn. Hey. Oh. Dude, I launched with the trans brake, let off, panicked, it spun, and then I got back in it, and yeah, we gotta figure that thing out, but gonna be fun. It's gonna be way more fun now. Jeez, that is so freaking cool. I am so happy. And it stayed one piece. We built this transmission. We got this crappy motor in here. And I'm back. We are at the track. God, I'm happy. I don't even care how slow that thing went or fast at all. Awesome. We'll go grab the time slip. Let's see what we did right out of the gate. cool. I wonder if that's my car. It's not puking. Anyway, terrible first run. I let go of the trans brake and then I let go of the gas because, I don't know, because I got a little scared. But it was an 8, like an 8.1. Plenty of room for improvement, but it blew the tires off right away, so I let off the gas. So we'll see if we can bring it down a little bit, and we'll pull even more timing, and then we'll go from there. So grab laptop, pull more timing out of the hit, and go party again. That is fun, man. And I made a couple adjustments. We pulled more timing off the hit, lowered it down. I left it at 46 accidentally. So we're gonna try to leave it 4 grand, even less timing, and try not to let off the gas pedal this time, like a sissy. So we'll try it again. This is gonna be fun. This thing, it's cool. It ran, it was 8.1, but it went trapped 103. So we're doing decent, and we just need to make it stick out of the hole a little bit better to get that 60 foot down. Then it'll be a party. Here we go, boys. We got the second pass down. It wasn't quite as violent. It went 7713 with the 2160. So the 60 was worse, but I was trying to get back in it a lot faster. So we're gonna take a lot of timing out. I think we're gonna make a big timing pull out of it, and then see how we go. And then we'll try it again. It's fun now. It's fun, man. Waiting in line. Some did leak transmission fluid down the whole track, so they're getting it up and running again. And here's a funny story. When I used to come here and I could foot brake and I could chop lights down and I'd do decent, I always wanted to race like a Vette or a faster car, right? Well, tonight, when I can't get my stuff together, I'm sandwiched between 2 Vettes, so I'm actually gonna get to race one. So my next goal is to just chop a tree down. At least if I can just look at the light, not pay as much attention to boost and how this thing's launching. Granted, it hasn't been able to leave with whatever I've given it yet. At least if I can tree somebody, then I'll feel better about my existence, because I don't know if I'll be able to outrun one of these guys, considering we're not making any traction, but definitely having fun. So yeah, finally get to race a Vette, and I'm feeling iffy about it this time. Before I would have been excited. Now, still fun though. All right, we're waiting to run the EX lane. My buddy Reed, the Tempest, is way over there. See if we can see what he does, but yeah, that Vette, boom, there's another Vette, and then the C7. Then what, SRT8, I believe, Jeep. The Scat Pack over there. Another Malibu, my man.
drove backwards on the track right now, so
okay.
Can't send you. I don't want, you know, I don't want like, ah.
Yeah.
You run through his ass in this fucking thing.
Oh yeah, I'll keep going.
So we'll wait. If you want another burnout, you can. Whatever you want to do.
Yeah, well, I'll back it up. I'll do that.
Hey, fire one. Back this gentleman up right here. This guy wants to do another burnout, okay?
Eventually.
Tried to actually leave that time, so I know I can do better on that too. I got all screwed up because I didn't go with the light left. Woo! 686 105, baby. Right. 1760 finally. Work with that, baby. Woo! That was bad, dude. We finally showed up to the party. I turned the damn thing down enough to where it actually went and I didn't have to let off at all. We ran a 686 at 105 with a 1760. That's the best 60 the car's ever done. So we got room for improvement, but that was rad. I finally beat a vet too. So we just made minor changes. The thing got out of the hole. Well, it didn't spin again on my little baby tire, and it's getting chilly, so I don't want to push it too much because I'd like it to keep traction. That's the name of the game. So we'll see if we can make another good lick like we did. I'd like to try to actually hit the tree this time because I was crap again on the tree, and see if we can rub our head and pat our belly. That's what I feel like I'm doing over here, but see if we can cut a decent light and make a clean hit, and I'm gonna call it a victory. That is a wrap for my first day back at the track with all the upgrades and struggle you guys watched me go through. So personal best is 686 at 105. Very excited about that. The last pass, I let the tire go again. I made a few adjustments and brought it up a little bit. Well, it didn't work out, so at least I kind of know where the base is when the track is not happy. But we ran a 7.4 at still the 105 trap speed. So happy with that. We are ready, and we are bringing it all the way out to Zip Tie Drag. If you're gonna be there, stop by, say hi. I'm gonna try to get a bunch of stickers and things for all you guys that stop by and swing by and say hi to me. But most importantly, I'm bringing a running car this time, first time ever. Hopefully we can do some library and some other fun stuff before we go, but I'm not messing with nothing on this car. We're gonna load it running, unload it running, and we are gonna have a race. You guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for the support. Like, subscribe, share. You know what to do. I'm out.